Hey guys, welcome to Holistretch video. This video you will learn how to give a psoas release to your client. So these psoas muscles hold so much tension and emotions, and they can be extremely painful for some clients, and some clients can be extremely sensitive, as these can release a lot of emotional tension and stress and energetic blocks and things of that nature. We also hold a lot of pressure because it connects our torso to our hips. So there's also a lot of tension in this area as well. So today you will be watching as I work on my friend, client Alicia, and we are going to be relaxing her psoas. I'm going to show you one side and then you can repeat on the other side. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in more tutorial videos like this, please subscribe to the channel below, and I will see you on the inside. The reason why I love working on the psoas muscles are they carry so much tension and energy. It's right underneath the diaphragm, so whenever our fight or flight response kicks in and we're in fear, the first thing we naturally want to do is curl up in a fetal position. That's using the psoas muscles. So it right underneath the diaphragm, it holds all that tension, fear, anxiety. It can also hold a lot of sexual trauma. It's right next to the sexual organs. So we want to gently rock our client first, kind of rock their hips, shake them side to side, and just get a feel for if there's any tension, if they're holding anything in the hips. You want to start to allow them to release and let that go. We're going to go ahead and do a little bit of sacral work. So bringing the left hand, sliding it underneath the sacrum. We're bringing the right hand to the top of the left hip. So the left ASIS, bring the hand over, cup it, and rock it side to side. This way you will start to energetically open up this area around the hips, around the belly, and sexual organs. Allow them to release and relax. And if you like, you can take that right hand back, slide it underneath to release their low back, or gently rock the body side to side, continuing to open up the hip, the spine, the sacrum, and then begin. How we begin is we keep nice strong hands, gentle fingers, dipping, sinking right past the ISIS, right down into the hip flexors, and using your breath to sink down. Now really be mindful of the sink. This is not a push, this is a gentle melt, because for some this can be very tender. If you'd like to go deeper, you can slide that right hand underneath the leg to lift it up and down. Coming back to find that place, sinking the fingers, lifting the leg, bring it up. Knee hangs right and over the elbow, and coming back down, using your body, your proper body mechanics to lunge back down with the leg. We can melt the fingers down when the leg is out straight, and then when the knee flexes in back towards the hips, we let them go. Melting back down, we can get into the iliacus by bringing the hands and the fingers a little bit to the side, so right inside that hip bone, and lifting the leg up to relax, finding the tight spot, finding the right angle, and then bringing the knee down, pushing more weight into the fingers, deeper into the psoas. Continuously check in with your client, as everyone is a little bit different. Some people have a really hard time with this, other people not a big deal. So check in, make sure they're doing fine and breathing, and pace yourself, tucking the fingers into the iliacus. You can get a bit deeper in there, opening up inside of that hip. And you can bring the leg out and back down. So you're going to notice that as the leg comes down, you're going to be able to apply more pressure to release. And this is called a psoas combing technique. So you're just feeling the psoas come in through your fingers as the leg comes down, and then gently release as it flexes back up. To complete this side, we can do a little groin stretch here with the knee flexed. We can come out to the side, and we can do a little hip flexor opener by bringing the leg underneath the left and pulling over to the side. You can bring your right hand and gently push their hip flexor away. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this psoas release stretch. If you'd like to do the other side, go ahead and rewind the video and rewatch.